Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is the Organized Money, where we talk about planning, productivity, organization, and managing money. If that interests you, then make sure that you click that subscribe button, as I would love for you to be a part of our little family. Welcome to the first video of 2019, and I thought that it would be great to start it off talking about my budget. I have made a couple of changes to my budget for this upcoming year, and I wanted to share with y'all what I have decided to do just in case it may help you with your budget. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is my planner for 2019. It is divided into 5 sections. If you haven't seen this complete setup, then I will link it above, but right now I'm going to turn to the money section, which is the budget planner from Happy Planner. So prior to this video, I was already setting up my month of January at the end of December, just because I wanted to get a head start and make sure that I am recovering from Christmas. We did end up spending a little bit more than expected, so I knew I had to jump on January. This is my monthly setup, in which I just use the dots to kind of keep track of everything that I need to pay for the upcoming month. And my daughter's birthday is in this month, so I put that in the sidebar just so that I can keep track of the expenses that are coming up for her birthday. So what I have decided to do is to divide up all of my expenses for the month into weekly amounts. There are a couple of reasons that I've decided to do this. The first reason is because, my husband and I are on a variable income, meaning that we don't get paid the exact same amount every single week. Because we don't get paid the same amount, I want to make sure that I am putting some money aside for each category that I have coming up. Now, the reason why I'm doing this on a half sheet is because I may not be able to cover each and everything that I am writing down. However, I do want to keep track of how much I need to come out each week so that I have an income goal for that upcoming week. So on the half sheet, I am putting everything that I need to set aside, and then on the actual week in my planner, I'm going to write out exactly what I have done. So then that way I can compare the two and then see what I need to do for the next upcoming week. I have been doing this for quite some time with just my mortgage, and it has been working out so well that I thought that I would try it with all of my bills. So as you can see, the weekly amount needed for just the bills is $16.95, and then with my back of the half sheet, I'm going to put my cash envelopes, and that's how much I want to have set aside for my cash envelopes. So I am adding everything up, and I basically need close to $2,000 a week in order to make this plan work. That is doable because me and my husband are on opposite weeks, meaning that we always have a check coming in every single week. We are both entrepreneurs, and so our income fluctuates a lot, meaning that some weeks we may have great ones where we might make $3,000 in the entire week, and then we have some where we may make $1,000. So I will adjust as needed. If there are certain weeks that I am unable to do this plan, then on a great week I may go back and try and put a little bit more aside. So that is basically the gist of the plan. If y'all have any questions about what I am doing here, then make sure you leave them in the comments below. We can definitely keep this conversation going and keep talking about it. And I'm also going to do in my next week's budget plan with me, I'll do a review of this week just to kind of show y'all how it turns out so that y'all can see it. I'm adding everything back, and then I'm going to stuff my cash envelopes, and then that will be it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Until next time, guys. Bye.